lang tayo today. Yan, with Sir Dustin ng ating regular and Suke of all time. Yan, bibili na siya ng kanyang bagong Fold 7. Swap niya yung trade-in ang kanyang iPhone 16 Pro Max. Na later on, ibabalik din niya.
Pag may
17 na. Okay. Let's see. Gusto lang niya mag-try ng Android. Tingnan natin pag-open. Yan. Another one pa po. Ah, okay na. Yes, nice. Super nipis. Congratulations. Happy ka naman, sir. What can you say?
Saya.
A message po for C-Square Telecom.
For your gadget needs, visit C-Square Telecom.
Subok niyo na to, sir, ang shop namin.
Yes.
Yes.
Ilang taon na.
Oh, yes. Thank you po. Bye-bye.
Thank you.